Good morning, everyone. This is day 9 of a 30-day challenge for me to post a YouTube video every day in the month of September. And this is going to be just a quick video to talk about some failure analysis from my attempt to build a wiring harness for the coinbot in yesterday's video. I think a simple explanation could be that I bought the wrong crimpers, and that caused me to press a little too hard on the JST pins that I was adding to the wiring harness. And that, of course, caused them to break at the end. But I think a bigger explanation for me is that I tend to overcomplicate things and make things complicated that really don't need to be. And in this case, I think maybe even just adding the JST connectors to a prototype is a little bit of overkill. I think what I should be doing is trying to keep it simple and just soldering all the wires together, not worrying about extra connections. My initial thinking was that I wanted to make the final prototype kind of idiot-proof so that you could only connect the correct limit switch to the correct wire, and that someone who's looking at it for the first time couldn't make the wrong connections. So I think what I learned from all this is that I really need to keep things simple. And I want to take that as a life lesson, but also as a lesson going forward when I'm working on the coinbot, that if there is a simple explanation or a simple solution to something, I should probably go that route instead of what I have in my head, which is usually more complicated. But I think that's going to do it for this video. I think that's enough for now. And as always, if you have feedback or comments, or if you know of a solution that's easier, please leave that down below in the comments. For now, that's my 2 cents. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.